Hi friends, it is Aditya from Aditya RPA in Bangalore. Now we are continuing to work with the solution design document in process delivery roadmap and BluePrism RPA. So in this video we are going to select the system recovery. In the system recovery means in earlier we have seen so exceptions can be like various types, and under system recovery means it's vital that an automated solution maintains control over its applications at all times. When all goes well, this is relatively straightforward, and the only thing to make sure of is that applications are back at the starting position before working to like a next case. And the difficulty comes when applications are not they are not behaving as expected and control has been lost. So typically this this will manifest itself as a timeout or a fail to find element error. So from an object, and the resulting exception can be managed with exception handling, but the applications must still be brought back under control if the process is to continue. On some other applications, it can be this can be easy. For example, on a web application, it might just a case of navigating directly to the home URL, or on a mainframe there might be a universal keystroke to reverse from any position. In sometimes the navigating back is not that much simple, and it may be necessary to restart the application once again, and again this might be painless, and the application can just be terminated and be relaunched. Some applications, however, do not like to be treated roughly and require that the prescribed logout procedure is rigidly followed. So each application must be carefully assessed in anticipation of including a recoverability section in the solution. And although the system recovery is not explicitly captured in the solution design document or a process design instruction like a PDI, the developer will need to appreciate the concept when configuring robust solutions. And it's an example of a recovery logic used to make two applications, one is a web system and other one mainframes ready. So prior to working the next case, the current position of the application is determined, and if it is not as expected or the attempt fails, the logic will try to recover. The navigate page will make several attempts before throwing an exception and triggering a restart. The restart page will also make several attempts, but any exception it throws deliberately left unhandled in order to cause a termination. Although it would be undesirable, a termination here is necessary to show that the control has been lost and the processing cannot be without attention. So if you observe here, it shows two blacks. One is customer at current position, if you observe here, so here we see we are seeing two blacks. One is web service get current position. If the position is okay, will goes to next position, or else it goes will navigate a home page, and then if any error occurs, and then will catch recover stage and go to a resume stage. Again will restart, and then will connect to mainframes black, and then so here we'll fix system exceptions like this. In the next video we are going to see the case recovery. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us for more videos on solution design document. Thank you.